1, 2, 3. Eyes on who?
Eyes on you.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all having a good morning and you're ready to learn. So, who remembers what we talked about yesterday? Aaliyah?
Graphs.
Pictographs? Right, that's right. We did talk about pictographs. And what goes on a pictograph? Jace?
A title. And our title is our favorite color.
Yeah, you're right. That does say our favorite colors. This is a different graph that we're going to learn about today. A pictograph, like we learned last time, we know that a pictograph always has a what at the top?
A title.
A title, that's right. And what else does a pictograph have? Aaliyah?
A key.
A key. That's exactly right. And what does a key tell us on a pictograph? Aaliyah?
How much something is, like if it's two people or one.
You're exactly right. Well, I can tell you were all listening yesterday. Thank you very much. Well, today we're going to learn about another type of graph called a bar graph. And this is a bar graph, okay? When we talked about labels on a pictograph, a bar graph has labels as well. A bar graph has a title, a bar graph has categories, and a bar graph has numbers up the side. On a bar graph, though, the categories go at the bottom and the numbers go up the side. So what's this one called?
Our favorite colors.
Our favorite colors. So what do you think this one's going to be about, Aaliyah?
Colors.
Colors. You're right. You're exactly right. So our first category is pink, okay? Now, if your favorite color is pink, raise your hand. Me and Jaylee are the only ones. So 1, 2 people like pink. So we come to our graph and we find pink, okay? And then we shade up 1, 2, okay? Because there's 2 people who like the color pink, okay? All right, now who likes the color blue? Okay, Jared and Jace like blue, so there's 2 people that like blue. Where do we need to shade to? Jace?
Blue and go to 2.
Blue and go to the 2. That's absolutely right. Okay, now what about green? Does anyone like green? No green? What about yellow? Max likes yellow, so there's only one that likes yellow, so where do we shade to?
1
So
yellow.
that's right, Max, to the 1. So only one person likes the yellow. Okay, so if we look at this graph, we can see that more people like blue than like yellow, can't we? Okay, so did more people like pink than like green?
Yes.
Yes, that's right. So we can compare them. When you look at 2 things, you compare them. You have to have more than 2 things to compare. Yes, Chase?
Why is it the blue almost to 3?
Oh, well, I got it a little high, didn't I? That's okay. But our blue and our pink are both at 2, so the same amount of people like 2. We compare using bar graphs, all right? Okay. So, we're going to try another bar graph, but I need your help on this one. Who wants to help me on this one? All right, we can all help on this one. What is this graph called? Jaylee?
Our favorite food.
Our favorite foods, that's exactly right. Jace, what do you think this one's about? What kind of what we like?
Pizza and hamburgers and tacos.
Right, it's about the kind of food we like. All right, so my favorite, I like all of these, but if I have to pick one, my favorite is pizza. So I'm going to find pizza, and I'm going to shade up to the 1, okay? Jaylee, would you like to come up here and show me which one is your favorite? Oh, yeah. Okay, pizza's her favorite too, so that makes how many people?
2.
So where does she shade?
To 2.
Good job, Jaylee. Thank you. Jaylee's favorite is pizza, so we're shading to the 2. Okay, Aaliyah, you want to come show me your favorite? Which is your favorite? Yeah, which one is your favorite?
Hamburgers.
Hamburgers. So you're how many people?
1.
1. So you shade to the?
1.
Excellent. Just 1 second. Okay, good job, Aaliyah. Max, would you like to show me your favorite? Which one's your favorite? I'm going to make hers a little bigger so you can see it. Okay, Aaliyah's at 1. Which one's your favorite, Max? You like hamburgers? Oh, he knows what to do. He's going to start where Aaliyah stopped and go up to the 2 because 1 plus 1 is 2. Good job, Max. Awesome. All right. Jared, do you want to show me your favorite? Oh, he likes hamburgers also. So he started at the 2 and he's going up to the what?
3.
Because why? How many people like hamburgers?
3.
Good. All right, Jace, you want to come up here and show me your favorite? He's going to pick tacos. So how many are you? Just one person or 2?
1.
1. That's right. So you're going to go to the 1 and shade. Good. Okay, so what can we tell about this bar graph by looking at it? Aaliyah?
That more people like hamburgers than anything else.
Right. You can tell more people like hamburgers than anything else because you can see it on your bar graph. 3 people like hamburgers. Okay, so who can tell me what's different about this graph from this graph? Aaliyah?
Because this one's talking about foods and the other one's colors.
Okay, yeah, this one's talking about food and this one's talking about color. What else is different, Jaylee?
More people think more. I mean, they're not the exact same height.
Okay, yeah, that's true too. Jace, what else is different about these? Are we comparing the same number of things? This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one has 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, it has 3 because 3 people like hamburgers and 2 people like pizza.
Right.
And 1 person like tacos.
You're exactly right. So as long as you have more than one piece of information, you can make an accurate bar graph, okay? But you have to have more than one. This one has 4, this one has 3. You can have lots of information, okay? All right, let's move on to the next one. What is this one called? Jaylee?
My favorite animal.
My favorite animal. Okay, let's look at this one. Okay, this one has 1 bar already showing on dogs. So is this enough information for me to compare something?
Yeah.
No, it's not. Why is it not? Aaliyah?
There's only one piece of information.
There's only one piece of information, so you can't, there's nothing to compare it. But if I said, okay, who else likes dogs in our class? Jared likes dogs, Max likes dogs, Jace, do you like dogs? Aaliyah? Okay, so there's 4 more people that like dogs. So where are we going to shade to if 4 more people? Where? Do the, here's my 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So we end up at the 5, okay? So we draw our graph and
I
shade.
can scribble it.
Well, I think you're a little short. Thank you. Oh, such a big help. Thank you. Have a seat, Jace. Good, big help. Thank you. Okay, so 5 people like dogs. Does anyone like cats? Did you pick dogs already? Yeah, you picked dogs already. Okay, what about fish? Jaylee, you like fish? Okay, come up and do the fish. And you shade to the
1.
To the 1. That's right. Okay. Good job. Okay, now Leah, come show me your favorite real quick. Which animal's your favorite? Jessica.
Excuse me, Jace.
Yeah.
Jace, chair.
Which one's your favorite? Turtles. Okay, so 5 people like dogs, 1 person likes fish, and 1 person likes turtles. So what can we tell? Jace?
There are 2 people that like cats.
No, there's no people that like
people
that.
that like cats or rabbits. And the other one, everybody liked 1,
Okay.
2, or 3.
You're right. Okay, so on this end, we can tell that more people like dogs than fish, and more people like dogs than turtles, and no one likes cats or rabbits. That's good, but something's wrong with our graph. Who can tell me what's wrong with it? Jace?
That it's almost.
Look at the title. What's wrong with our title?
They're different.
Oh,
My
Aaliyah?
favorite.
It doesn't have an S on it. It's just not one animal.
Okay, and this word my means one, doesn't it? What do we need to change it to? Our favorite animals. You're exactly right.
I forgot that we were just shouting, not raising our hands.
That's okay. Okay, all right. So now, does anyone have any questions about bar graphs? Jace?
What if you have like all of them are 0 and the other one is just 0 and then
If they're all
go
0.
up.
Okay, if they're all on 0, then you don't have enough information to compare, do you?
And then what if they go all the way up?
Well, then everybody likes a lot of things. Aaliyah?
Could people use it for like money and stuff?
You could use it like money. That's a real world example. We're going to have a real world example in just a minute, and I'll show you an example using that, okay? All right, now we're going to move on to our activity, and I have a fun activity planned for you. Okay, Jace is going to pass out